So what are you doing to impact the world?
Yeah, great question, by the way.
I can't claim all credit for that.
Yeah. So what am I doing to impact the world? I've been around for quite some time. So this is something that I kind of think of from time to time. What if I'm no longer here? What's left of me? And I think, obviously the podcast is here and so on, but there's a lot of things we do around the podcast and we do in our business. And the philosophy of the business is to make marketing and make podcasting human again. And it's all about building human connection and making a difference in the world. Now, we think that to make a difference in the world, you need to be famous or you need to be really wealthy in a monetary sense and you can do spectacular things. But you don't need to be rich or famous to make a difference in the world. All you need to do is care. And if we care, and this is something that I'm very passionate about, is building this culture of care within all of us. And it starts with caring for ourselves, then caring for others, then caring for our communities and caring for our environments. So I think that's where I'm making an impact on the world, and I'm doing that through my business. I'm doing that through public speaking, in all of the podcasts we do. One of the reasons for that question is to establish a kind of a deeper connection with my guest, because going back to that episode 2, where it was a friend of mine and we had that really good conversation, that connection is something that I want to try to establish very early on. And we also run events inside of our community of podcast guests where I use a different system to the cards you mentioned, but I'll have to check those out, where we ask those deep questions and connect people and get them very quickly to the point where they care about the other person in the sense of what are they doing and what can we, and that's led to some amazing things in terms of people getting together for joint venture initiatives or do business with one another, or just to keep in touch and act as sounding boards for one another for things that they're doing. So I think that kind of are some examples of that impact that I'm hoping to make in the world and the legacy that I'm hoping to leave.